Good day. In this video, we are going to do the 2023 NCEA Level 2 Statistics paper called Apply Probability Methods in Solving Problem. The paper number is 91267, and without further ado, let's do question 1A part 1 in this video. So the question is a very long question, so you must be able to understand what they are asking. So Alex likes to play claw game at the arcade. She finds out that the machines are programmed and are not based on the skill of the user. In 15% of the game, the claw will pick up a toy but drop it again. So remember 15%? So whenever a claw pick up the toy, it will drop 15% of the time. So the probability of it dropping, if you pick up and it drop, the chances is 0.15. On the other attempt, about 1 in 10 game will be selected to be won by the machine, generating a random number. So the chances of winning is 1/10. This means that the probability the first game is won is 1/10. If the game is not won, then the probability of the subsequent game will change as the remaining random number decreases. So if this means a random number, so for example 4 is taken out, then there's only left with 9 numbers, so the next chances is 1 out of 9. The probability of the second game being won is 1/9. So if they don't win again, and the third time they play, the probability is going to be 1/8, and the fourth time is going to be 1/7, and so on. One day, Alex watches someone else win a toy, and then she plays the claw game with this strategy. Okay, if she wins the toy, she will stop. Okay, so if she win anytime in doing the 4 try, if she wins anytime, she will stop. If the claw drops the toy, she will always try again. Okay, so if the claw catch the toy and it drop, she will always try again. Remember that, okay? She will keep playing until she had two losses. Remember that, okay? If she lose 2 in a row, without it dropping, or a maximum of 4 games in total. So she'll play a total 4 games. If she lose 2 games in a row, she will stop. Complete the probability tree below and use it to answer the question on the next page. So we are going to draw the tree. The tree is given, okay? All those in the darker black colors are all given. So 110, 0.15, and of course, if you add that in a tree, the total must be 1, so that must be 0.75. Similarly, if they drop the first toy, the chance of winning is going to be 1/9 is what they say, okay? If the first time they win is 1/10, the next time they're going to win is going to be 1/9 because the random number it decreases by 1 each time. So drop will always be 0.15. Okay, so all the drop will be 0.15. I'm not going to repeat that, okay? The probability of it dropping is 0.15. So to calculate the loss, it's going to take 1 minus 1/9 minus 0.15, and the answer is 0.7389. Similarly, here will be the same, called 1/9, 1.15, and these 3 numbers will add up to 1. Okay, the third game, the chances of winning, the third game is going to be 1/8 because the random number is decreased by 2 now, 1/8, and drop will be 0.15 and 0.725. Add this total will always add up to 1. Similarly, these are all the same. This will be the same. So all this total will add up to 1. So the last probability is that if did not win, so the next chance of winning is 1/7. 0.15 to remain, so 1 minus 1/7 and 0.15, the total is 0.7071, and it will be the same across all 4 categories. Okay, once we have done this probability tree, we are going to answer question 1, part A, part 1, and that will give us an achieve. Okay, so the question states like this. So this is a replica of what we have calculated. Okay, so now we're going to answer 1. The one in red we calculated, okay? And every bunch will add up to 1. All these will add up to 1, and we show you what is the probability that the claw drops on the first game. So the first game is going to be drop, and then Alex win the second game she plays. So that is she win. So probability, okay, that she drops on first game and win the second game, what we're going to do, we're just going to take this probability multiplied by that probability. So 0.15 multiplied by 1 over 9. Put in your calculator and the answer is going to be 0.0167. Please check for me. I calculated beforehand and that will give you an achieve in this paper. Stay tuned for second video will be part 2 of the same question, 1A part 2. Cheers everyone and have a good day.